church in the town.
Roger that, we're there. Start talking.
You are not authorized to level the church. Do not fire directly on the church. Got a vehicle moving now.
One of the vehicles is moving right now.
Personnel coming out of the church.
We have armed personnel approaching from the church. Request permission to engage.
Copy. You are cleared to engage the moving vehicle and any personnel around you see.
Affirmative. Crew, you are cleared to engage, but do not fire on the church.
Whoa!
Confirmed. Vehicle neutralized. Enemies crossing the field.
Copy. Smoke them.
Oh yeah. Nice shot, man.
Set scan range. Heads up. Hostile forces are setting up ambush points along the curved road.
Navigation, which one's the curved road? Over.
Fire control. Do you see the water tower? Over.
TV, confirm you see the water tower.
You talking about the water tower near the intersection? Roger. That's the one. And next to that water tower is a curved road. Do you see that?
Roger that.
Track that road into the next village. You should be able to see another water tower in the village further down that road.
We're having a bit of trouble acquiring the village. How far up the road is it?
Approximately, hang on. It's about 2 clicks along the curved road going away from the highway. Yeah, roger that. We're banking towards the village. Stand by to engage ground targets. We got hostiles setting up along the curved road.
Hostiles preparing to ambush along the curved road. They're partially concealed by the trees. Request permission to engage targets in the village.
Targets in the village are confirmed as hostile. Cleared to engage. Smoke them.
Whoa! Someone just fired an RPG!
Pop the flares, pop the flares.
Wildfire, we're under attack! We could use some help here!
Crew, track those smoke trails and take them out at the source. Clear a path for our guys.
Personnel on the roof of that U-shaped building.
U-shaped building?
Roger. It's the one with the square structure on the roof. It's the one with the flat roof.
Good, ready! Shot!
Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys.
There we go. Yeah, those rounds are right on target.
Wildfire, we're approaching the LZ at the junkyard and leaving the vehicles.
Roger that, Bravo 6. Crew friendlies are leaving the vehicles and moving on foot towards the LZ. Do not fire on any personnel marked by a flashing strobe.
Enemy personnel closing on the LZ from multiple sides. Danger close. Recommend you stick to the 25mm in the vicinity of the LZ. Enemy personnel in the junkyard.
Wildfire, we're moving towards the helicopters now. Thanks for the assist. Bravo 6 out.
Crew, VIP is secure and in custody. Good job, everyone. Roger that. Returning to base. Copy.
This is gonna be one hell of a highlight reel.
I heard that.